How to create a PayPal account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for paypal.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of PayPal. Here tap on the sign up option if you do not already have an account. So you will then be required to choose if you want a personal PayPal account or a business PayPal account. So choose your preferred option and tap on the Get Started option you see there. You will then be required to firstly enter your country or region. So go ahead and enter that and tap on the Get Started option you see there. You will then be required to enter an email for your PayPal account. So enter the email and tap on Next, and you will then be required to enter your phone number. So go ahead and enter the phone number, and you will now receive a verification code in the phone number that you just entered. So enter the code that you just received in your phone number, and you will then be required to create a password. Make sure that the password has to include 8 or more characters and either include letters, numbers or symbols. And once you have entered your password, tap on the next option and you will then be required to enter your nationality, your first name, your middle name, your last name, and your date of birth. So enter the following and tap on the next option you see there, and you will then be required to enter your address. So enter your address and finally tap on the checkbox you see there, that is the terms and conditions checkbox, and then tap on the agree and create account button. And with this, as you can see, your PayPal account has been created successfully. So this is how you can create PayPal account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.